Hey there, everyone. Hope y'all are doing well. Forgive me if I'm a little slow tonight. I'm kind of exhausted. Um, anyway, so at work today, um, they were throwing out a bunch of old equipment, and unfortunately, I didn't know it until it was kind of too late, or else I would have been able to get some pretty cool stuff. But I needed to grab some parts, so I went over to the warehouse and I saw that they were trashing a bunch of old stuff, a bunch of stuff that I even had my eye on for a while. And so grabbed some parts that I needed, and on my way out, kind of grabbed everything I could carry. Um, and this was one of them. So this is a coin safe out of a drive-up pay station. Basically, coins drop down into this slot. I think this door is usually open when it's installed. There's a plunger in the back that pushes the door open, if I'm not mistaken. That might just be the other model, actually, but either way. So, it's got this neat little teeny tubular lock here that holds this door on. And I don't know if I can focus in there good enough, but the pins in this thing are not in the normal arrangement that you'd find in a tubular lock. So first off, this is teeny. Don't know if you can tell right now, but if I hold a standard size Ace 2 up next to it, you can see that it is absolutely dwarfed by that thing. But also, with the Ace 2, this is a 7-pin tubular lock. Pins are arranged at the 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it's about 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, somewhere around here, and whatever. But either way, they're evenly spaced around, and they are evenly spaced from this little thing. But on this guy here, pin number 1 is actually right here. Right at the corner there. And then pin number 7 is like over here. And the gap is here. It's really strange. But anyway, I figured I'd pick it up and show y'all and try to get it picked real quick for you. So I had to make a special tension wrench for this because obviously something like the goat wrench isn't going to fit. Honestly, the goat wrench doesn't really fit much. I think they made it a bit big, to be honest. It barely fits on these Ace 2s. So if it was just a little more, it would just slip right around there. But anyway, so there's not a tensioner that I'm aware of. It's made for these things, so I had to make one. So took a piece of wiper insert and filed it down to kind of a square peg there. Oh, my battery is running low. Come on, charge. I think it's charging. Alright. So it will fit right in there and allow me to put tension on the core. It just barely gives me enough room to pick that first pin, but a little probe here made from a broken pick. So let's see if we can get this thing open real quick. So as I'm going around, I'm just kind of pushing these things down if they're binding until they click. And you'll get multiple clicks at each pin as you go around, but just keep going around and pushing on them until they're kind of springy. When it's springy, move to the next one. And eventually, it should pop open for you. Got some big rotation on the core there. Oh, I think we got her open, one click. Alright, there's one. I don't think that's enough to take it off, so let's keep going. So this should only be a 6-pin lock now. Get counter rotation on that one. Big click, big movement. So now we should have a couple more pins holding us. There we go. Is that going to be enough? There it is. Alright, so got it open. Look at that little thing. That is adorable. So, like most tubular locks, there's no way to gut this thing non-destructively, but maybe I will drill one out in a future video. Anyway, thanks a lot all. Have a great day, great night, whenever it is. Take care. Hey everyone, just a little addition here. I wanted to kind of show how this opens. It's not really that important, but yeah, it's whatever. So in here, when this is pushed back into place, an arm engages and pushes that, and what happens then is it allows this door to open. So yeah, that's all. So when you push it in the machine, that opens up. That's where the coins drop out, and then when the person removes the box, it does that, locks it up so that the person removing the box can't access it without the key. Alright, that's all. Take care all.